how to use ClickUp for production tracking. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to use ClickUp for production tracking. If you don't know yet, ClickUp is a work management tool that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your details, all your tasks and others. And in this video, we're gonna use it for production tracking. So first you can open your ClickUp dashboard, and on the left side, as you can see, I have some spaces, and you can choose the space you want to add a production tracking template. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one, theme space, and click plus icon on the name of the space, and then go to template. So basically, we're gonna use a template from ClickUp, so it will be easier for us because we don't need to create it from scratch. So you can check all of the type of the template if you want, and then we're gonna go to search box and you can search production tracking just like that. Oops. Um, and then we'll find three templates. You can choose whatever you want, but let's say I'm gonna choose for creative and design, probably a project management. I'm gonna choose this template. And as you can see, this is the description, and then this is the features. There are status groups, custom fields, a lot of custom fields, and also the view types. If you think this is good enough for you, so you can just click use template here, and you can name it, let's say, production tracking, just like that. And then you can import something if you want to add another data, or you have a data, and then you can just click use template here. Afterward a few seconds, this is my template, and as you can see there are some items here. You can modify anything here. Let's say I'm gonna click this one, and as you can see there are some details here. You can modify as you want, so you can also add a brief link or something like that. There are a lot of information. You can explore more, and if you want to use another template, you can just repeat the process, and then you can try another template. And I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.